Assalamu alaikum class. Today we will discuss the topic using three-step writing process for negative messages. Okay, for writing negative messages, there would be 6 learning objectives. Number one, three-step writing process. Number two, the direct and indirect approaches. Ethics. Number three, ethics and etiquettes in messages. Number four, routine negative messages. Number five, negative organizational messages. Number six, the negative employment messages. Okay, we have already talked about three-step writing process. We have goals like convey bad news, gain acceptance for it, maintain goodwill with audience, maintain good image for organization, and reduce or eliminate need for future correspondence if appropriate. If it is not appropriate, yes, you may be open, you may encourage, you may allow future correspondence it is need if it is needed, and if it is not and if it is appropriate, you may avoid future correspondence. This three-step writing process obviously starts with planning, as we must know the purpose, audience, medium which has to be selected on the basis of purpose of the audience, and then approach. So this is something related to planning negative messages. Okay, and now I will shortly explain to you planning negative message. When you need to convey negative news, you can't avoid the fact that your audience does not want to hear what you have to say. To minimize the damage to business relationships and to encourage the acceptance of your message, plan carefully with a clear purpose and your audience needs in mind. Gather the information your audience will need in order to understand and accept your message. As you know, that negative messages must have negative impact on the audience side. Your purpose or your goal is what that you whatever you are going to compose for negative message, you should be deeply careful. You should understand your audience need, you should understand your audience mood, and according to your audience you will manage your material, and you will manage the ways in which you can provide a negative message in more authentic, humble and soft ways. Selecting right medium is critical. For instance, experts advise that bad news for employees may be delivered in person whenever possible, both to show respect for the employees and to give them an opportunity to ask questions. Of course, delivering bad news is never easy, and an increasing number of managers appear to be using email and other electronic media to convey negative messages to employees. Finally, the organization of a negative message requires particular care. One of the most critical planning decision is choosing whether to use the direct or indirect approach for this purpose. A negative message using the direct approach opens with the bad news, proceeds to the reason for the situation or decision, may offers any additional information that may help the audience, and ends with a positive statement aimed at maintaining a good relationship with the audience. In contrast, the indirect approach opens with a buffer. Okay, I will also explain to you this direct and indirect approach in more easier way, right ji? But I have to discuss some points with you regarding this negative message. We have the points that how we can direct or we can have direct and indirect approach, and for this analyze the situation and the message you have to deliver. First of all, you should analyze the situation, okay, to which you are going through, and the situation in which you have to deliver your message. In this is this an emergency, or do you need to get someone's attention? You may yes, you may say yes or no as an answer. If it is yes, then you will go for the direct approach, or if it is no, uh, uh, it is no. Do you know that the audience always prefers the direct approach? राइट जी। आपको ये मैंने पहले भी इन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर ऑलवेज वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट दिस, ये जो इजी वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है, या यू कैन से फॉर बेटर कम्युनिकेशन, टू बिल्ड बेटर कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द ऑडियंस एंड द रीडर्स। ठीक है, जो डायरेक्ट वे जो होता है या डायरेक्ट अप्रोच होती है, इट्स अ मोर सेफर वे or easier way. ठीक है, you will go for the direct approach. If no, then you will go for the next step, that how important is this issue to audience, कि वो जो आपका जो इशू है इस ऑडियंस के लिए उसकी कोई इम्पोर्टेंस है भी या नहीं. सो यू शुड एनालाइज द सिचुएशन. वी देयर वी हैव थ्री ऑप्शंस. ठीक है, अब ऑप्शंस क्या हैं? वन इज़ लो, ठीक है, सेकंड इज़ मीडियम, थर्ड वन इज़ हाई. ठीक है, इफ़ इट इज़ लो, right ji, you ought to go for the direct approach, and if it is medium, then will the news come or as shock. ठीक है, you must know that the bad news which you are going to deliver will be as a shock for the audience or not. Next, if it is high, ठीक है, you will use indirect approach. So the last point, uh, will the news come as shock, ये जो है डिस्कसेबल है. ठीक है, इफ़ नो, you will go for direct approach, and if yes, you will go for the indirect approach. So in this way we are in a position to understand when should we should go for direct approach, or when we should go for the indirect approach. Now what is meant by direct and indirect approach? We will understand this one by one through points. What is direct approach? Writing negative messages. ठीक है, you number one, open with the negative news. ठीक है, give reasons for the situation or decision. नंबर थ्री जो है वो पॉइंट है हमारा, ऑफर एनी एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन दैट विल हेल्प द ऑडियंस. नंबर फोर, क्लोज ऑन ए रिस्पेक्टफुल नोट. दिस इज़ डायरेक्ट अप्रोच. व्हाट इज़ जो डायरेक्ट अप्रोच है उसके फोर पॉइंट्स हैं. ठीक है, open with the negative news, give reasons for the situation or decision, offer any additional information that will help the audience, and close on a respectful note. ठीक है, these are for your writing negative message. ठीक है, now the next, this is direct approach. What is indirect approach? In this case we will also discuss one by one 5 steps. Right जी. Open with the buffer. Buffer आप किसको कहते हैं? Any of various devices or piece of material for reducing shock or damage due to contact. ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या है, नंबर टू जो पॉइंट है वो हमारा है, बिल्ड अप द रीजंस फॉर द सिचुएशन और डिसीजन. Number three, present the negative news. Number four, offer any additional information that will help the audience. ठीक है, close on a respectful note. ठीक है, these are the same points, but the ways are different. Means direct or indirect approaches. So in this manner, we have two approaches, that are direct and indirect approach. We must know when should go for the direct and when to go for indirect approach. And in case of direct or indirect approach, what are the steps to take, and what we supposed to do. The next step that we will take is writing negative message. ठीक है, it what should be there? It should be there should be clarity. ठीक है, sensitivity, and you have to be sensitive towards the needs of the audience. You have to maintain your credibility, and you can't afford to miss the etiquette part of it. ठीक है, choosing negative words. We have options to choose positive words, normally the negative phrasing which are being used. Okay, so we will also discuss the negative phrasing and the positive phrasing, and you will also analyze or feel the difference between the wording. Okay, what kind of negative wording can create effect on the readers or on the audience, and in the same way what can positive effect on the mind of the reader while choosing positive phrases, right ji? So what kind of positive phrases we can use? Examples of first we will discuss about the examples of negative phrasing, right ji? Number one, I will give you example like this: your request doesn't make any sense instead of, ठीक है, अब ये जो है हमारे पास एक नेगेटिव फ्रेज है, योर रिक्वेस्ट डजेंट मेक एनी सेंस, but instead of this you may say please clarify your request, ठीक है. Similarly in negative phrasing you may say the damage won't be fixed for a week, right? ये हमारी है नेगेटिव फ्रेज है. अब इसको हम पॉजिटिव वे में हम कैसे कह सकते हैं, द आइटम विल बी रिपेयर्ड नेक्स्ट वीक. तो ये अब आपने जो है ना ये थोड़ी सी फ्रेजियोलॉजी को सेंटेंसेस की जो है दैट आई ऑलवेज से कि उसको थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करें कि नेगेटिव वे में जब आप बात करते हैं तो क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, बीइंग अ रीडर, बीइंग अ ऑडियंस, बीइंग अ कस्टमर, राइट जी. और पॉजिटिव वे में जब आप बात करते हैं या फ्रेजिंग यूज़ करते हैं तो उसका इम्पैक्ट आपके माइंड में या रीडर के, ऑडियंस के या कस्टमर के माइंड में पड़ता है, ठीक है. यू आर सेइंग द सेम थिंग बट इन अ डिफरेंट टोन और फ्रेज, ठीक है, बात एक ही है बट आपकी जो टोन है, एज आई ऑलवेज से, कि जो लहजा जो होता है वो आपके अल्फाज की जो मीनिंग है उसको चेंज कर देता है, ठीक है, वेदर यू आर पॉजिटिव, लेकिन आपका जो टोन होती है वो सारा कुछ चेंज कर देती है. ऑल्दो इट वाजंट आवर फॉल्ट, ठीक है, देयर विल बी योर ऑर्डर unavoidable delay in your, sorry, there will be an avoidable delay in your order. Instead of this you may say again, we will process your order as soon as we receive an aluminum shipment from our supplier which we expect within 10 days. अब देखिए कितना अच्छा इसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. और नेगेटिव में आप क्या कहते हैं, यू आर क्लियरली डिससेटिस्फाइड, ठीक है. द पॉजिटिव अल्टरनेटिव वुड बी, आई रिकग्नाइज दैट द प्रोडक्ट डिडंट लिव अप टू योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, राइट जी. और नेगेटिव में देखें क्या आएगा पॉइंट, इट वॉज शॉक टू लर्न दैट यू आर अनहैप्पी. अगर आप नेगेटिव फ्रेज में ये बात करते हैं तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस यू कैन से वेरी हम्बली, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग योर कंसर्न्स अबाउट योर शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस. तो ये डिफरेंस जो है ये वन बाय वन जब आप पॉइंट्स में इसको डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सी द यूनिट 8, ठीक है, सॉरी द चैप्टर नंबर 8, राइटिंग नेगेटिव मैसेज, on page number 193. You will read by yourself, then you will be able to understand what I'm saying or make you people realizing, right? The enclosed statement is wrong. अब ये नेगेटिव फ्रेज है. अब पॉजिटिव में क्या हो गई, प्लीज़ वेरीफाई द एनक्लोज स्टेटमेंट एंड प्रोवाइड अ करेक्ट कॉपी. इन दिस मैनर we have multiple ways to write the same thing in the positive alternative, so choose positive one, ठीक है. completing negative messages, you are to revise, produce, proofreading and deliver. So in this way you will be able to complete this 3-step writing process, right ji. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and must make the points, as I always say to you people, that make points of each and every lecture. Allah Hafiz.